little bits of annoying rattling. Doesn't take much. This one's on the fan baffle. Two sides that are weak, so I'm just going to fix this side. A bigger screw or a I found a bigger screw. Maybe this will work. Definitely should have pulled the disconnect on this one. It's borderline stupid messing around with a metal tool with the fan going. All of us that work with air conditioning, it behooves us to remind ourselves as we get more familiar with it, don't get overly comfortable with what you have going on. That's where you can really make mistakes. Because maybe if you haven't been injured from a machine before, you still have to keep respect in that thing can really hurt you or kill you or hurt somebody else. It can be broken. So first no harm includes to the equipment, it includes to yourself. That means following safe practices. So again, it's always better to pull the disconnect and work on a system that is powered down. Discharge capacitor. There we go. That tightened that side up. I'm lucky it didn't go worse than it did. That's good. Now we got this side. I finished the job, but now I need my and when I do that, I can take this side and put this side on. A little annoying, but at least I didn't break the blade. I'm lucky I didn't. Those are the breaks sometimes. Should work good. For that bolt. Now I got to take it apart to recover my screwdriver. Anyway. This one, tracing it back, is this one here. So the knee dropped it in there. An old one, I'd be tempted to leave it in there, but I just got the screwdriver recently, so. Luckily I don't have too much going on, so I have the time to get it back. There we go. And let's see. Run off. Discharge capacitor for safety. Capacitors hold the charge even after the power is disconnected. Going to use the metal portion of the screwdriver, holding just the insulated portion of the capacitor. Here's this side. Bridge the leads, and the fan capacitor too. Again, just for safety. And we don't have much room to work with. I can probably just lift up the deal back. Look down in there and find my deal. There it is, right on this side. Straight down. No big deal. Got it. Okay. And now for the screw. Hole ready. Now I don't see where I put the other deal. Okay. So I'm going to use this other deal, like a washer. And hold it through on this end. First is going to be remove this one. It was a little bit bigger screw already. It wasn't holding so great. So let's hook this up through the bottom. Match to it. Now at least it's through. I'm going to use my screwdriver to hold the started. Go. Nice and tight so it won't give us any rattling. There we go. Okay. Now I recovered my deal. We can set everything back normal. I use my flat blade a lot of times, like I've showed in other videos. And set this using the flat blade and a little twist. Usually what it takes to get it down around in the right spot. There we go. And there we go. Hey, we're in all the way. It's good. Now we got a nice tight deal. I'm just going to give, hopefully I don't give up my pin, but give it a little turn, make sure nothing's hitting, and we're good. Okay, got it back. That's an important phone call, and I'm ready to put it back together. So it just has all these screws that I took out to go around, nice and easy. 6-in-1 screwdriver. This is like just a great tool for working with appliances and air conditions. On each side it's got the different nut drivers that you need. It's really perfect for working on the stackable washing machines and washing machines. The 2 different nut sizes are perfect. I believe this one's a 1/4 and this one's a 3/8. And it's got 2 different size flatheads and 2 different size Phillips heads on the other side. You know, it's just a nice tool. This one has even a deal for screwing in wing nuts or eyelet screws like window locks. That deal works perfect. So just a nice tool. They do wear out sometimes quite a bit. I'll have the nut driver will get rounded out. So I see maybe a 1-year lifespan, depending on how much you use it and what you use it for. I've used mine pretty much, you know. I think they take a lot of, you know, going through it with these deals and with washing machines. But great tool. Just gotta buy a new one every once in a while. This one, the Stanley, they just redesigned the back end of it to be a little bit fatter, so you can get really good torque on it. So it's nice. The other one was a little bit straighter, you know, one size all the way. So they keep doing different things with it. It's kind of cool. They improve it. You can really get a good amount of torque on it. So it's nice. Nice tool. I'll try to put a link in the description for this one. Oops. This is a good one to have. It's nice and light too. There we go. Now I'm ready to plug it back in. We should be still. The contactor is this little solenoid valve. Receives the signal from the thermostat on the side, which causes the electromagnet to suck in the contacts, which bridges the leads from the bottom, 110, and the other side of the bottom, another 110, across the top. When those meet up, they make 220. That's your 220 power to power your fan, power your compressor. Anyway, here we go. Plug it back in. Hopefully our fan is good. Yeah. Nice and quiet. I was clearing these scuffer drains up here on the other roof, and I could hear them. And so glad to fix this up. So now I'm going to put the cover back on. We'll be all set.